Take a ride in the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.